Here I just use a wash boy. I don't use the grout stick. I only use the grout stick when I'm doing prestige tiles. Look at that. Beautiful. Set a bit of plastic. You just keep an eye out on your lines all the time when you're grouting. Because it's pretty easy to miss a bit of plastic, but you'll always pick it up when you're grouting. That was a bit of glue. I won't do my silicone today. Give it a few rolls to dry it out the best you can. You'll suss out how hard to press. It's all pretty basic. It's self-teaching. With a wash boy you can go any way whatsoever, whatever floats your boat. You don't have to go diagonal to your lines or anything like that. Nice. Nice. You don't have to go rubbing flat out when you're grouting. Just wipe it off nicely. You'd be surprised how fast you go when you're in a bit of a rhythm. I should have really started at the top and worked down, but it's not of major importance. I haven't got heaps of water running down to dirty what I've just washed off. Now what we'll have here is another tickled pink owner. They're not here today. He works in the mines, so he's away a bit. There is a little bit of a fault. They bought these tiles from the cheap store, and there is on quite a few tiles just a little defect on the edge, but the owners know that. You can't do much about it. It's not on every tile, but if I was going through every tile sorting it out, no. Okay, I'll come back to you soon. Later.